Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to teach people how they can save federal taxes year after year and generation after generation. I am going to do a live speech on Zoom October 10th at 4 p.m. East Coast time or 1 p.m. Pacific time. Between now and then, I'm going to do a video every day to tell you a little bit more about the Spendthrift Trust because everyone needs to know this. It is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. It's going to save you in three very important ways. Number one, it's going to save you federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Who doesn't want to save federal taxes? You know, some people might not want to. Number two, it's going to keep your information 100% private. Unfortunately, there's a rumor that your LLC, S Corp, or C Corp keeps your information private. That is not true. You can write a Freedom of Information letter to either the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission and ask about the LLC and get all their information. Number three, probably the most important thing because people don't think about this, but I can't stop you from being sued, but you will not pay any judgments if you get sued, because everything you own is in the trust and you as an individual are worth nothing. It's a beautiful thing. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Let's get this out of there. So there are actually four trusts. The first trust is the business trust. This is for business owners and 1099 income earners. You are going to save at least 70% on your federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Many of my clients, including myself, are saving between 90% to 95% every single year on your federal taxes. 2022, I saved 92% on my federal taxes for my three businesses I run online. Now, you could be a business owner, you could be a franchisee owner, you could be a real estate agent. I have a life insurance license. You could sell weight loss supplements. You could have a brick and mortar store, or you could be an affiliate marketer. I don't care what you're doing to make 1099 income or a side hustle. Maybe you're working as a W-2 and have a side hustle. You're going to save at least 70% on your federal taxes. I can say that legally. And most people are saving 90 to 95%. Beautiful thing. Now, the next slide is for the beneficial trust. This is for any and all investors. I don't care if you are a passive investor, a real estate investor, a crypto investor, a crypto miner, forex investor, stock market investor, dividend investor, options trading, futures trading, binary trading, or you have royalties. You are going to save the following taxes year after year, generation after generation. Short-term capital gains. They are charged between 10% to 37%, 7 different layers, whatever your tax bracket is, and you can file your taxes 4 separate ways. Long-term capital gains are either 15% or 20%. That's a year or more. And if you're selling a business in the United States, you will pay 15 or 20% on the sale price, the profit you make, to the federal government, or you could have the Spendthrift Trust. Interest income, you're a passive investor. You're doing creative financing. You're seller financing. The BRRRR strategy. I personally have 12 notes. Or a forex investor, you get taxed twice, interest income and capital gains. You need this trust. You're going to save interest income year after year, generation after generation. Dividend income, again, in the stock market, dividends. If you're doing options trading, listen up. You get charged 40% for a year or less and 60 for a year or more. Yikes, you need this trust. Rental income. It could be short-term like Airbnb, Vrbo, or traveling nurses, or it could be long-term, 10 doors, 20 doors, 50 doors. It could be multifamily. Yes, you can take depreciation, but remember, this trust is, number two, going to keep your information 100% private. And then the third thing, keep you from paying any lawsuits. What if one of your renter's dogs gets out and bites a child? Yikes, they're coming after you, unless you have this beneficial Spendthrift Trust. And then royalties. Royalties are only taxed between 10% to 35%. Everything else is 10% to 37%, but royalties are a little bit less. But again, 7 different layers and 4 ways to file your taxes. I want to invite you to a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session where we can discuss how much you're paying in federal taxes and how much this trust could save you year after year, generation after generation. I am doing a live meeting October 10th, 4 p.m. East Coast time. It's going to have new slide deck, and I'm going to go open it up for question and answer at that time. Please, if I can help you save money year after year, generation after generation, schedule a 30-minute tax breakthrough session at www.thetrustisyou.com. If I can save taxes, and if the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the US presidents can save taxes, you can save taxes. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope I can see you on October 10th or before then. Take care. Bye-bye.